I'm gonna use our house. Okay. There's a few different ways. You guys, I'm losing it. Hi, I'm Amber, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my favorite post-workout snacks, an acai bowl. This is a super simple recipe. You can make it a few different ways, but today I'm going to make it with just one packet of the frozen acai. It's about 3.5 ounces. And I'm also going to use one frozen banana, a small handful of frozen berries, mixed berries, a little bit of cashew milk, about a third a cup, and one scoop of plant-based protein. You can also add things like peanut butter or another type of protein if you want to, but this is how I'm going to do it today. So first, I'm going to start by opening my packet. These are so convenient, and I love acai after a workout. It gives me like the energy I need to get through the rest of my day, if I can get this open. Okay. So you just start with your frozen acai, and here, your frozen fruit, a little bit of your liquid, and the protein. Now we're gonna blend. All right, perfect. Ooh, so creamy. So quick. Okay, and now I'm essentially just gonna plate this. There's so many different ways you can top this, but I'm just going to use a little bit of fresh berries and then our house-made granola. Okay, so it's nice to have it like this consistency where it's like nice and thick, so you can put all your toppings on and it doesn't just float to the bottom. That's why I love to use the frozen bananas. Like you can use fresh bananas, but frozen really gives it that like perfect ice cream acai bowl feel that you're looking for, or I'm looking for. Wow, I love the spatula. Okay, just gonna smooth it out. Okay, and I'm gonna just top with a little bit of berries. I'm just using blackberries, blueberries, and some raspberries. Then just a little bit of granola. And there we have it. This granola has a little bit of coconut. It has some like chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds. It's amazing. And there we have it. The beautiful post-workout acai bowl in all its glory. Here we go. That's really good. That's so good. This is perfect. I didn't work out today. I don't deserve this. It's super creamy. You can taste that it's like super fruit-based and healthy, but also like has like the creaminess of like a Frosty from Wendy's. And then you have like the crunch from the granola and the berries. It's gonna fill me up and keep me motivated for the rest of the day until dinner. Love it.